Hello learners, next I'm going to show you how to search for images in the Smart Gallery. Right here is a little picture and that's the Smart Gallery. You can click here and you can search for anything that you want. You can put any word in there. It's also broken up into Gallery Essentials, and when you click on that, these are broken up into files. So there's arts, there's English and language arts, geography, history, mathematics, people and culture, science and technology. You can continue to click on these files, on these folders, and now inside of science, there's animals, astronomy, biology, chemistry. So along with searching words, if you're looking for something that you're not really sure, you can just click on one of these folders and images will come up here. So these are images that I can take. If I find an image that I want, all I have to do is click and drag it over here, and the image will now appear inside of my Smart Slide. Okay, I'm going to delete this image. Let's see, because this isn't one that I wanted. Delete that. Also, you can do inside of this. There are new 3D images inside of Smart. Smart has some of those in their galleries, or you can also go to the 3D, Trimble 3D Warehouse, and that will take you to 3D images, okay? So it's gonna open this, just letting you know that you're moving from Smart to the Trimble 3D Warehouse, which is contracted out from Smart. So you have two options. Click here to browse their own 3D warehouse of images, which takes you outside of the Smart software. Or you can click to browse this 3D images in the Smart Exchange. So I'm going to click here and do the ones in the Smart Exchange. And the Smart Exchange is going to come up, hopefully. See if we can get a 3D image from their warehouse. Page not found. So it looks like I'm having problems with my network connection here. I'm just going to see if there are any inside the gallery real quick. So I'm just going to search 3D images. And there we're not. There we go. So the next thing that I did was I looked on the lesson activity examples right here, and there's 3D objects. And there are 11 of those. So if I want the 3D image, I'm going to click on, let's see, let's do the fish dissection. I just drag the image over here, and it appears in my Smart. I'm going to enlarge this image. So this is how a 3D image works. You can rotate it. So I'm looking now at the front of the fish, or I can look at the fish from its tail. Calibrate my board. From the back end, I can rotate it like this, any way that I want. I can also rotate it from the top to the bottom, or I can also rotate it like this. So this is a 3D image. Let me show you another one. So like a volcanic eruption. Let's delete this guy. So now we have a volcanic eruption. So if I'm wanting to look at this volcanic eruption from many different viewpoints, so this is a volcano, what does it look like from its top? So I'm going to rotate it, and this is what an eruption would look like from its top. If I want to see it from a different viewpoint, rotate it back to this. Or I can, as you're talking about this might be something that you use with your science kids. Also, in the Trimble 3D Warehouse, even though we weren't able to see that today, there are many, many images that are three-dimensional. So to do that, once again, you click on the Smart. You can click on Gallery Essentials, which is where the folders are broken up. You can use the search bar. You can also use lesson activity examples and find the 3D images. One more thing that's also great about the Smart is you can do multimedia if you're looking for timers. So I'm going to search for multimedia. One of my big things that I always do is I'm messing up on time. Let's see, multimedia timers. Because I'm always lacking in time. And Smart has timers built in. So if I wanted to add a timer to my page, I could just drag the timer over and I can add time. So we want this assignment to be 5 minutes. I'm gonna click on that and I'm gonna click play and the timer automatically starts ticking down. So as you're building your lessons, a timer might be something that you just include on the last time or sometime that you're having a discussion that you need to be time sensitive. And that's how to use the gallery in inserting and finding images inside of the Smart software.